Hi friends, today I came with some of the brain booster activities for your child. Brain booster activities always improve the concentration of the child, and it enhances the visual memory, and it also boosts the focus and attention of the child. So brain booster activities are always entertaining. So here I will not prolong it, and I will come up with few of the activities. Hope your kids will enjoy. So the first activity is circle the unidentical stars in the following boxes. So how we will teach the child? Unidentical, which is not same in the other boxes. So if we will see, we will tell to the child, we will start with first star is red color. We will see red star is in the all the four boxes. So this is not unidentical. Yellow is also there. The child will check in all the four boxes and it is there. Then the same way we will do for the green and the blue. Both the stars are present in all the four boxes. So we will see the last box here is one orange star which is not present in the rest three boxes. So we will color this box. So the unidentical star is orange. Now we will go to the second activity, and the second activity is color the balloons with vowel A. So here are the letters are written on the balloons, and there are the words. The child will read all the words like tap, bag, pup, den, rat, nut, pot, cat, bat, hat, bat, A is there in the A. Sound is there in the cat, bat, hat and tap and rat. So he will color all the 5 balloons. Now we will go for the third activity, and this is again first one we have done unidentical. Unidentical means which is not same, and identical means which is same. So we have to color the triangles, the rectangles which are identical. So the same way we will do, we will see green is there in all the 4 boxes and blue is there in all the 4 boxes. Orange is there in all the 4 boxes. Blue, pink is also there in all the 4 boxes. Now we will see the black. Black is there. We can see black which is not present in the rest of the box. And green is also there, which is not there in the first and the second box. So which are the identical boxes? First and the fourth one. So now we will color the first and the fourth one boxes. Now we will go for the fourth activity. Fourth activity is complete the sequence by following pattern. So we will see the pattern and we have to write the next alphabet which will come. So first we will start like U-U-U-M. This activity is always there for the preschooler's child, and it always increase the concentration and the tricks to solve the puzzle, like we can say. So how we will teach them? We will teach the child, because after seeing this the child will get confused. What will be the next one? So we have to teach them. We will see U is there 1, 2, 3 times. Then M is there. Again U 1, 2, 3. Then the next one will come M. Okay. The same way J, J, V. The pattern is J, J, V. Again we have C J, J, V. Then J, J. The next alphabet is V. Now the shapes are here, and it's triangle and the heart. It's the alternative shapes. So triangle, heart, triangle, heart, triangle, heart. Then after the heart there is triangle and heart. Now we will go with the fourth one, and it is the rectangle, rectangle and oval. Rectangle, rectangle, then it will come oval. Fifth one is pattern is A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Then it's again A, B, C, D. Then D के बाद क्या है? We have to see the first one is A, B, C, D. Moving the last activity, and it's the matching. We have to match the object to the sense organ of our body. So we have 5 sense organ. We have to teach them the 5 sense organ: tongue, ear, nose, eyes, and the 5th one is touch. So first one we will start tongue. Tongue to taste. What we taste with our tongue? It's ice cream. So we will match tongue with ice cream. Now ear. Ear is to listen. So we will listen music, the drum. So we will match second to the D. Third one is nose. Nose to smell. Smell fragrance. Whatever the smell is there, the foul smell, the fragrance, anything we can smell through our nose. So the third one we will match them with the flowers fragrance. The fourth one is eyes. Eyes to see, to watch, and we with eyes we watch TV. So the fourth one match to see. So these are all the brain activities. Some brain activities I come across it. Hope you will get it done with your child and they will enjoy it. If you like the video, please do like and subscribe the video. Thank you.